Broken arch again from the other side. And there in the background, the La Salle Mountains. Another view of the arch. This is interesting because what we're seeing here is the seabed floor that's been tipped on its side. And then over time, somehow it cracked. Either it was a shallow lake and it dried out and the crack was filled up with some stronger mud or some other similar dynamic. But now as the softer sandstone wears away, what's left is what filled in the crack in the first place. I can't think of any good reason to have climbed all the way up from the valley floor, since the picture of the arch is just about identical, particularly with the telephoto lens. Maybe it's just the challenge of hiking up here. This area is called Fiery Furnace. You actually need a hiking permit to get in here unless you go with a ranger, both because there are no trails and they want to make sure, I suspect, that you're competent enough not to get lost or hurt, or at least understand the risks. These are interesting formations because of the different layers, or different colored layers of sandstone. Since we're not allowed to hike down in there without a permit, we can explore it with the camera. I'll just pan around a little bit. The valley below us is called the Salt Valley, and apparently has some geological connection to the huge salt deposit that's created all of the arches, according to the literature. I have stood in great cathedrals and temples all over the world, but nothing quite compares. This is where Sand Dune Arch is, back behind those fins. Just a little pan of the campground here at Arches. This is just part of it. There are a total of 52 sites. Still not enough. And a few yards away, this is a very interesting view, particularly with the moon. Now for dinner.